Question number 9. Proof that 3 minus 4 root 2 divided by 7 is a irrational number, given that root 2 is a rational number. Already root 2 is a rational number, it's given. We have to prove that 3 minus 4 root 2 divided by 7 is a rational number. Starting point will remain the same. So this is question number 9. So question number 9. Let or 3 minus 4 root 2 divided by 7 be the rational number in its simplest form, that is a by b. There is one is only common factor of a and b. So 3 minus 4 root 2 by 7 is equal to a by b. B does not equal to 0. Our main target is we are going to keep the root to this side, take rest that side. So it is a divide, it will be multiply. 3 minus 4 root 2 equal to, if it is divide, it will be multiplied, it will be 7a by b. Now take the 3 that side. So minus 4 root 2 is equal to 7a divided by b minus 3. So make it as a fraction. So minus 4 root 2 is equal to b. LCM will be 7a minus 3b. Now take the 4. I think we can take the minus 4 that side. If we take the minus 4 that side, it will be take the minus 4, that is root 2 equal to, it will be divide. So 7a minus 3b divided by minus 4b. We never keep the minus in negative. We never keep the negative in the denominator, always it will come in the top. So if it come to the top, the sign will be changed. So it will be root 2 equal to, the signs will change, positive will come to the negative, negative will come to the positive, 3b divided by 7, divided by, this is 4b. Now it became a fraction, minus 7a plus 3b divided by 4b is a, since it is a fraction, it is a rational number. So it is a rational number, therefore root 2 is rational number, but it is given root 2 is irrational number. So which contradict our assumption, which contradict our assumption that 3 minus 4 or root 2 divided by 7 is rational number. Hence 3 minus 4 root 2 divided by 7 is irrational number. Next question, that is question number 10. Proof that, question number 10, proof that 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational number, given that root 3 is a irrational number. Already root 3 is irrational number given, so you have to prove that 5 minus 2 root 3 is a irrational number. It will remain the same. only a little bit changes in the writing part, the rest remain the same. So this is question number 10. question number 10. The consideration will remain the same. Let this 5 minus 2 root 3 is a rational number in its simplest form. That is a by b, or that is 1 is, you can write p and q or a and b are co-prime, that is also correct, or 1 is only common factor, that is also correct. That is 1 is only common factor of a and b. So 5 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a by b, b does not equal to 0. Our main target is we are going to keep the root 3 this side, the rest that side. So 5 will be, if you go that side, it will be negative. Minus 2 root 3 is equal to a by b minus 5. Make it fraction divided by 1. So it will be minus 2 root 3 is equal to, take the LCM b, it will be a minus 5b. Now take the minus to that side. So root 3 is equal to, it is multiply, check the operation between this 2 and root 3. So it is a multiplication, it will be divide. So a minus 5b divided by minus 2b. Even you can keep it here, but normally we doesn't keep the denominator negative in the denominator. So to make it positive, just reverse the sign of the numerator. So it will be root 3 is equal to, just change the sign, it will be minus a, it will be plus 5b divided by 2b. So this became this is in the form of fraction, therefore this is a rational number. So the minus a plus 5b divided by 2b is rational number. It is a rational number. So root 3 is rational number. Root 3 became a rational number, but it is given root 3 is irrational number. We got a rational number, but it is given root 3 is a irrational number, which contradict our assumption that 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational number. Hence 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Now question number 11. Question number 11, that is proof that 5 root 2 is an irrational number given that 2 is a irrational number. Already it is given root 2 is a irrational number given, you have to prove that 5 root 2 is an irrational number. Question number 11. If possible, question number let that is 5 root 2, let 5 root 2 be a rational number, be a rational number in its simplest form. In its simplest form, that is a by b, that is 1 is only common factor, FSC, common factor of a and b. 1 is only common factor of a and b. 5 root 2 is equal to a by b. B does not equal to 0. Now our main target is keep the root 2 this side, take the rest that side. So it will be root 2 will be there 5. Now check the operation between 5 and 2. What is the operation? Nothing is there means multiply. So it will be divide. So root 2 is equal to a by 5b. Since this is a rational number, a by 5b is rational number. Therefore since these are equal, therefore root 2 is a rational number, a rational number, and be here, but it is given that root 2 is irrational number, but it is given that root 2 is a irrational number. So 1 is rational, we got the root 2 rational, but it is given root 2 is a irrational number. So it contradict our assumption, that 5 root 2 is rational number. Hence 5 root 2 is irrational number. 5 root 2 is a irrational number. Now question number 12. Find proof that 1 by root 3 is irrational. Given that root 3 is irrational, root 3 is given rational, you have to prove that 1 by root 3 is irrational. Question number 12. Let 1 by root 3 be a rational number in its simplest form. 1 by root 3 is a rational number in its simplest form, that is a by b. Whenever it is a simplest form, that will be a by b, that is 1 is only common factor of ab, common factor of a and b. Only 1 is the common factor of ab, so it will be 1 by root 3 is equal to a by b. A by b, b does not equal to 0. Our main target is we are going to keep the root 3 this side, but it is now in the form of 1 by root 3. So what we are going to do it? For this we are going to do the cross multiplication. So we are going to multiply this and this. So we are keeping the root 3 this side, therefore we will write the root 3 this side first. So it will be root 3 into a, it will be root 3a, equal to, this will be 1 into b, this will be b. Now I need the root 3 and take the a that side. Check the operation between root 3 and a. The operation between root 3 and a, that is a multiplication, so it will be divide. So root 3 is equal to b by a. Now we got a b by a. B by a is rational. It is in the form of fraction. Since it is a fraction, it is a rational, therefore root 3 also rational, but we have considered root 3 but it is given already root 3 is a rational number. So 1 is rational, 1 is irrational, so it contradicts it. So rational and irrational cannot be equal, therefore it is an irrational number. So we got this is in the form of fraction, so it will be b by a is a rational number. Which number, whenever the number is a fraction, there is a rational number. B by a is a rational number. NUM here. and these two are equal. So therefore root 3 is rational number. So this side is rational, therefore this will be rational, but rational number, but it is given root 3 is irrational number. Root 3 is irrational number, which contradict our assumption, which contradict our assumption that 1 by root 3 is rational number. Hence 1 by root 3 is irrational number. Irrational number. 1 by root 3 is a irrational number. Question number 13. It is also same. Prove that 2 by root 7 is irrational number. Root 7 this we have to prove that 2 by root 7 is a irrational number, given that 7 is a irrational number. 7 is given irrational number, you have to prove that that is 2 by root 7 is a irrational number. Question number 13. If possible, let 2 by root 7 is a rational number in the simplest form. In its simplest form, a by b, that is a and b are a co-prime. Okay, you will write 1 is only common factor. 1 is only common factor of a and b. So that is 2 by root 7 is equal to a by b. B does not equal to 0. Here also we have to keep the root this side and take that side. Therefore we will do the cross multiplication, this and this. So it will be root 7a is equal to 2b. Now only keep the root this side, take the rest that side. We are going to take the a that side. Since it is root 7 and a, the operation is multiplication. Nothing is there means multiplication, it will be divide. So root 7 is equal to 2b by a. Now it become in a form of fraction, so it became a rational number. Since it is a rational number, root 7 is also a rational number, but root 7 is given irrational number, therefore it contradicts our assumption. Since this is in a form of fraction, there is 2b by a is rational number, it was a rational number. Therefore root 7 is rational number. Root 7 became a rational number, but it is given that root 7 is a rational number, which contradict our assumption, which contradict our assumption that that is 2 by root 7 is rational. Contradict means that is false, is rational number. Hence 2 divided by root 7 is a rational number.